Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation with, as you can see, two different bases. So what our first step is going to be is we're going to expand our right-hand side here. We have 5 to the power of x plus 2. And remember, let's say we have a to the power of b plus c. An important property of exponents is that we can change this into a to the power of b times a to the power of c. Because remember, when we're multiplying exponents, we add these two. So all we're doing is we're simply reversing this. So that's what we're going to do to 5 to the power of x plus 2. We're going to reverse it back to its original form and expand it. So 5 in this case is a, right? So we have 5 to the power of b is x, times 5 again to the power of c, which is 2. And this is still equal to 2 to the power of x. Now, 5 squared, as we all know, is 25, right? So this is 5x times 25 equals 2 to the power of x. Now what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 5 to the power of x. So if we divide both sides by 5 to the power of x, well, for this side, these two will cancel out. So on our right-hand side, we'll just have 25. And on our left-hand side, we'll have 2x over 5 to the power of x. And this can actually be written as 2 over 5 whole power x. And this is equal to 25. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the log base 2/5 of both sides. So we're going to take the log base 2/5 of both sides. Well, these two actually cancel out because remember, the log is the inverse of an exponent. So because this is base 2/5, these two are going to cancel out. So on our left-hand side, we have x equals, and on our right-hand side, we have log base 2/5 25. And this is actually equal to, using the change of base formula, which is an important property of logarithms, log 25 over log 2/5. The change of base formula states that if we have a logarithm like this, log of this equal over, so this equals log of this over the log of the base. So now this can be converted to, let me write this over here, log 5 squared, because we're simply changing the 25 to a 5 squared, over log 2 minus log 5. Remember, when we're subtracting logarithms, we divide. So we're simply just inversing that. So log 2 minus log 5. And this, an important property of logarithms, the power property, states that we can just drop down the exponent here in front of the log. So this can equal 2 log 5 over log 2 minus log 5. And this is our answer in its simplest form. If we want a more simpler form, we need to use a calculator for that, but this is the most simplest form we can write our answer in. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem in less than 5 seconds. So we have 100 squared plus 100 over 100. Now, the first method is to simply divide both of these numbers by 100. Well, 100 squared over 100, 100 squared divided by 100, that would just be 100, because 100 squared, this is equal to 100 times 100. So if we were dividing 100 squared over 100, then this would simply be 100 times 100 over 100. And the 100 would cancel out with one of the hundreds, and we would simply just be left with 100. So this would be 100 plus 100 divided by 100 is simply just 1. So we would get 100 plus 1, and this is equal to 101. Now, another method would be to factor out 100 from our numerator. So if I factor out 100 from 100 squared plus 100, well, 100 squared divided by 100, as we already know, is 100 plus, now if I factor, now 100 divided by 100 is 1. So we get 100 times 100 plus 1 over 100. And these two cancel out, so we would be left with 100 plus 1, and this is 101. So this is the second method.